I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm using Pink Paradise from Glam and Glitz, the Glitter Planet Dolly Bird glitter, which is totally stunning, like seriously. And I'm also using the new fruit cocktail slices. These are the female slices from Glitter Planet, and I'm going to be using the Nailmate forms as well. So let's get started. I'm starting off by applying a couple of forms at a time because I'm working on a silicone practice hand. It wasn't that difficult, but I felt like I would keep knocking them off, so I just did a couple of forms at a time to be on the safe side. And the good thing about the Nailmate forms is the fact that they reach all the way around under the finger, so they are secure on a silicone hand as long as you don't open up that top tab. Okay. So now I've gone ahead and sculpted the base of the free edge. I'm coming in with Pink Paradise, and this actually turns into a more pale lighter pink, and it becomes this juicy watermelon colour, sort of like when it's cold, or if you run it under cold water or something like that, which I think is freaking awesome. Once I've applied that colour to the nail bed area and blended down ever so slightly, I'm coming in with the Dolly Bird glitter and just fading that down. And once I've finished doing that, I'll go ahead and add the fruit slices. To apply the fruit slices, all I'm doing is just applying a tiny amount of acrylic, really wet, just clear, and then I'm just patting those slices into that clear acrylic whilst it's wet, making sure that they are flat. And as you can see, that acrylic has turned into the colour when it is cold. Oh yeah, so that means, yeah, when it gets warm, it will turn to the watermelon colour. I'm just going to go ahead and do similar things on all of the nails, just varying the way that I apply it. So for this nail, I am going to go ahead again and apply the juicy colour, the Pink Paradise, sorry, that's because it just looks like a juicy watermelon colour. So the Pink Paradise, I'm applying at the cuticle area, blending it down, but then the Dolly Bird glitter I'm going to apply to the entire tip of the nail, blend it up into the colour, and then go ahead and apply some of the fruit slices. I'll have everything linked for you guys down below if you want to check it out, so don't forget to go and do that. And don't forget, on Glitter Planet you can use my coupon code, which is NINJA10. The brush that I'm using today is the number 10 Nailmate, and it's the Magic Stick. I absolutely love this brush. It is beautiful. We do have some new brushes. They may well already be here when this video launches, or they may be coming. It is the Glitterful aqua brush, and they are sort of like a snow globe in the handle. They are absolutely gorgeous, so don't forget to check them out. I'll link them below so you guys can find them really easily, but they are absolutely stunning. For any of you wondering what the handle of my brush looks like, this is it. It's gorgeous silver holographic. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue the rest of the set, sculpting my clear base and then just adding the colour, the glitters and the fruit slices as I have on the previous nails. There's nothing else really to this design until we get to adding the flakes. So I will be back later on in the video. Don't forget as well guys to like this video, share it if you can, and also if you haven't already, please do subscribe. So I decided to go ahead as well and add some dried flowers. These are from Glitter Planet, so I'll have them linked for you guys in the description box. And I'm just using some clear acrylic, adding it really wet to the nail, and then using my wet brush to pick up the flower and just pat it down into the nail exactly where I want it to go, making sure that all the petals lay flat. And this just went really well with like the summer fruit cocktail vibes that I was trying to go for. I think this set was absolutely beautiful and I really thought it just looked so like, there was just so much depth to it. Like, it went to the glitter, to the colour, the fruit slices, the flowers, and then on top we had the flakes. It was just honestly mesmerising to look at in person. Each way you turned the nail, you just saw a little bit of something different. So I'm just going ahead and encapsulating all the nails in clear acrylic, and once I've finished encapsulating I will go ahead and file and buff off camera, just because it's a little bit difficult to film that stage with the silicone hand. I just want to get it over and done with and then come with you guys with the next step. So the flakes that we are using are the Thermo flakes from Glitter Planet, and they are a multicoloured, multi-tonal flakes. They shine all sorts of different colours. They are absolutely friggin' stunning. So I'm going ahead and applying my no wipe top coat, and I had a little bit of trouble with this. I'm not sure what I did wrong, if I did anything wrong, or whether it was the product itself. It happened with the last set that I did as well, and I'm sure it happened on my nails when I did them. But I'm just going ahead and applying the top coat, and literally I'll move on to the next nail, and I can see already that the top coat has started shrinking back and leaving little gaps in places. And I'm just showing you here around the cuticle area, you can see it's just like gone. But anyway, I quickly wipe over and zoom it into the light and flash cure it so that it holds itself in place. And then I do a full cure. And once I bring it out of the light, I'm rubbing in the flakes, and honestly, they are so dreamy. So dreamy. So I'm just using the silicone tool, but you could use your finger or an eyeshadow applicator depending on what you have available. And you just apply them over the no wipe top coat and they'll stick absolutely fine into that. They are honestly so magical. So yeah, I'm just going to apply the flakes to all of the nails. I was going to say all 10 nails, but there is definitely not 10 nails on this hand. But yeah, look how gorgeous. All the colours, and they just reflect on the light as it sort of like goes past. Sometimes they disappear completely, and then all of a sudden you'll just see these specks and flakes of colour, which I think it's just absolutely downright disgracefully, disgustingly beautiful. Don't you? So this is all of the flakes applied, and then you just want to come in with a top coat. Make sure you seal the free edge, cure for 60 seconds, and then that is it. That will be the final result. So I'll share that with you guys in a moment as well. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I've just hit 44,000 on Instagram. I think it's 44,000, which I'm so proud of. And my YouTube is growing so fast, it's crazy, and I'm just so freaking proud of myself and also for you guys. And I see everyone commenting all the time, and I know I recognize you guys that have been there from the very beginning, so don't think I don't, because I really do. You just get really familiar with the comments and everybody just being there, and it's just amazing. So thank you, you know who you are. And thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video and this set. Please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.